Worried about your child's snoring or mouth breathing? It could be enlarged adenoids. They're small tissues at the back of the nose, like tiny protectors. Sometimes, they swell up, causing problems like loud snoring, trouble sleeping, and frequent ear infections. We understand it's concerning. That's why we offer expert evaluations. Don't wait for problems to worsen. If you're noticing these signs, schedule a consultation. Let's ensure your child breathes easily and sleeps soundly.